Hello, I'm David Chaston with 98.9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, including news of an important tax increase in Japan tomorrow. Japan's deflation battle has reached a critical point, and the signs are troubling. Success is far from certain. There is a slump in household spending in Japan, and the government recognises that as a big problem ahead of tomorrow's tax increase. It says it will speed up deployment of government cash in coming months, as a drop in consumer spending may be showing that even their modest inflation may be damaging purchasing power. Japanese consumer prices increased by 1.3% in February compared with the same period a year ago, making it the 9th month in a row of gains. The figure met analyst expectations, but it is still well below Prime Minister Abe's inflation target of 2%. Sales of gold bars are soaring in Japan as buyers rush to invest in the precious metal ahead of tomorrow's controversial 3% rise in GST from 5% to 8%. In the US, the personal income and spending data for February was released over the weekend and is quite positive, supporting their economic expansion. Benchmark US Treasury 10-year yields recovered a bit over the weekend and are now at 2.72%. The oil price marked time hesitant as a new, huge Iraqi oil field in Basra is about to open. And gold lost even more ground, closing at $1,285 an ounce in New York. Equities were higher. Here in New Zealand, the Green Party has announced it wants to set up a government-owned investment bank to fund new energy projects. But, quote, you have an independent board so the government can't meddle, and they've got to make a return on their investment. It's not a subsidy, unquote, said Russell Norman. New Zealand has stayed at its elevated levels in the final trading sessions in New York on Saturday and starts today at 86.5 US cents. The Aussie is 93.8 Aussie cents, and the TWI remains at 80.9, its all-time high. I'm David Chaston. That was 98.9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.